Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the EVS class. Children, in last class, you have learned about the different forms of moving air. Now, let us learn how air is useful to us. Children, as you know, air is important element of life. Without air, we cannot live. So, today we will learn about uses of air. Let us see. Children, why is air important to us? Because we humans and animals need air for breathing. Then plants need air to make food. And we also need air for burning things. Let us see one experiment. Children, take two candles and a glass jar. Light the candles and cover one of the candle with the glass jar. After some time, we see the flame in the covered candle. It's put off. Why, children? Here we see the air is circling the candle and continues to burn. When one of the candle is covered, the air cannot reach the candle. When the limited air in the jar is used up, the flame is put off. And the other candle which airman keeps in circling gets in. Air is supply from airman and it continues to burn. So, we see air is necessary for burning. And air gives shape to things. Things like tires, balloons and footballs get their shapes only after we fill them with air. Let's see an experiment. Children, now let us take a deflated ball. Now let's fill it with air. A ball gets bigger. Now the ball is not deflated. It has a round shape. This is because the air fills space and also gives a shape. So we can say the air fills space and gives shape to things.
Now,
Students,
look at this flat tube of a
cycle.
Let us put some air inside the tube.
Inside the tube.
What do you see?
Students, what do you see?
The tube gets bigger.
So,
The air fills the space inside the tube and also gives a shape to it.
Children, when we blow empty balloon, air gets inside the balloon. The air fills the empty space inside the balloon and the balloon gets bigger. Children, we have seen that things get bigger when we blow air inside them. So, we can say that air fills space and gives space to things. Understood? And air helps the clothes to dry faster. And also air helps boats to sail. Now let's see an amazing fact. Air is lighter than water. Things filled with air float on water. That's why swimming tubes help us to float on water. Let's see higher order thinking skills. When the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight, so it moves up. If we burn some dry leaves, we can see small things get blown up in the air due to the fire. The air becomes warm and moves upward. It carries the small pieces of burnt leaves up. Warm air moves faster than cold air. Children, for understanding this, you do one activity. Help of your parents. Okay, children, do this activity at your home. Today we have completed the lesson Air Around Us. I hope you all understood the lesson Air Around Us. Thank you, children.